Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about the strategy that you can actually implement and start your dropshipping business with print on demand. Now, obviously, there's a lot of individuals in the market right now that are harnessing and using this amazing strategy. But the question that comes is, how can you use this strategy to ensure that you could develop a successful and scalable business? And that is the reason we have brought this video to you, where you can understand the different dynamics and understand the tips and tricks and the strategy and how to implement them successfully. So if you don't have a Shopify account, guys, don't worry at all. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days, the global commerce platform where you can build your business to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. And you can discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs are choosing Shopify to build their business. And one of the major things that I personally believe is crucial to bringing your vision to life is their drag and drop store creator. And you don't need any expertise at all. You can select from customizable templates and create it by a community of world-class designers. You can even add features and functionalities with different apps by the trusted Shopify developers. You can sell to every buyer everywhere, and the best converting checkout on the planet is on Shopify, with a flexible point of sale to power your retail store. And from the first touch to a full funnel, you can reach new leads, engage with customers, and build on the data that you have. We even streamlined your back office with overseeing operation and fulfilling every single order and managing your money where you make it. And all these elements are available on Shopify.com. So guys, go ahead, start using Shopify right now to ensure that you can get the financial freedom that you always wanted and break away from the 9 to 5. How you're going to do it? Stick around to the end of this video to find out. The first thing that you need to do is head over to a website which is called Printful.com. Now on Printful.com, you can turn your ideas into premium products that leave a lasting impression. With 1 million items that are shipped every single day, all you need to do and sell on print on demand is where you can sell custom products globally and save times while they print and ship the product for you. You can order for your stuff. You can even store your own product. They have 438 premium products that you can customize and sell. So basically, all these elements with Printful.com are available, from patches to t-shirts to hoodies and hats to drinkware, footwear, and even swimwear. And obviously, it's very simple. They connect the Printful to your store. You customize the products. They will fulfill the products and ship the products to you. And you can connect the Printful to a platform or marketplace of your choice, such as Shopify, Amazon, even Storney or TikTok or eBay. So go ahead, if you don't have a Shopify account, make it right now and connect your Printful store to your Shopify store, where everything can be created in an instant. So basically, once you've done it, all you need to do is search for different products. For example, if you search for shirts, and we will get different shirts that are available. And one of the major things I personally believe with shirts is the shirt's logo or design. So let's search for shirts designs, and what that does is it's going to give us a complete breakdown of different shirts that are going to be available. So we're going to go for the men's custom shirts over here, and once we click on that, we'll be able to see the different designs that are available on Printful. And obviously, these are shirts which are available, which people have made, which customers have made, which organizations have made, which people are actually interested in buying. Now, all you can see over here, one of the major things that these are plain shirts. And the beauty of this is the fact that you can find shirts and print different logos and designs. You have different custom styles over here that are available. So for example, if you look at this tank top for men's over here, this is something that a lot of gym wear wants to buy and people that want to work out. So you want to get something that already is a niche that have people interested in it. So we're going to look at the tank top for men's. So this is available over here. This is for $14.95. So basically, this means that we can actually get any color that we want. We can put whatever we want on it. We can design it anything we like. For example, you can design your logo. The logo is going to come over here. So we're going to go on AliExpress.com. Now, AliExpress.com is one of the most interesting platforms that I personally feel is available. We can find a lot of elements over here which we can use to harness and obviously develop a strategy around. So we're going to search for gym men's tank tops. So as we do that and we search for it, what happens is that the search is going to give us the complete breakdown of different designs that are available. For example, they have a logo over here, they have no pain, no gain. And if you scroll down, you're going to see all these amazing designs. So now what we're going to do, and this is very important for you to understand, we're going to click on order. So we want to see exactly how much interest is available. For example, this product is for $7.79 and 1,857 have been sold. This is for $5.74, 1,590 have been sold. So basically, as you scroll down, you'll see all these amazing elements over here that people are actually using, harnessing, and selling. So there's definitely a good market that's available. So what you need to do now is obviously take it to the next step. And the next step is search more. And obviously, as you search more, you can search for designs and products. So we're going to search for gym tank tops for men. And obviously, as we do that, we're going to find more elements that are related to this particular product. Now, obviously, one of the things that really stands out at this moment in time is the fact that these tank tops are worth $31.97, $37, $33, $27, and different designs that is available. So one thing is very clear that this is a product that a lot of people want to get. And obviously, you can easily get this product for $7.79, and you can sell it around the mark of $30 or $32 or $33 and make a hefty and a good enough profit. Now the question which a lot of people tend to ask me is that's perfectly fine. We understand that element. How are we going to get the design? And this is where Upwork comes in. Now Upwork.com is a place where you can find a lot of freelancer designers that are available. So we're going to go over here and search for designers for shirts. And as we do that, we're going to find a lot of people that are working in this particular niche. And I absolutely love this about individuals over here because you can hire them per the hour. For example, this individual over here takes $35 per hour. He's a graphic designer, a merchandise t-shirt and a flyer. So they specialize in graphic designing that emphasis on t-shirts. They're top rated. So basically they know exactly what they're doing. If they're still out of your reach, you can go for some for $15, $18, $30, $18. So these are individuals that are available right now that can create amazing styles, amazing designs for you. For example, Yana from Ukraine has a graphic designer, web designer, and t-shirt designer, meaning he understands exactly what is happening in the industry, and they can develop a lot of custom designs for you that you can easily take from there, go ahead over to Printful and put those designs over here and start selling it. And obviously we know for a fact that these are going for $35, $25. So it's a good enough profit of making $20, $30 of these amazing products. Now, obviously you might be thinking that's perfectly fine. We understand that element, but how are we going to sell it and who are we going to sell it to? And this is where the strategy goes to the next level, guys. There is a website which is called fanjoy.com. Now, this is a website which has a lot of content creators. And one of the things I understand about content creators and what I want to portray to you guys is the fact that content creators are individuals that focus on content creating. They're not selling merchandise. They don't understand the logistic of merchandise. They want to do it. They want to make money off that, but they don't know how to do it. And that is where this strategy comes in. So you're an individual that has a Shopify store. You're an individual that has merchandise. You have an individual that understands the way you want to get that merchandise to different audience that are watching online content. So basically, Fanjoy is the place where there are different contents that are selling different merchandises that are available. So what you need to do now is search for content creators who already have a huge following. For example, on Fanjoy itself, they have a lot of creators that are selling content on Fanjoy. And this is literally a list of those individuals. You might not find an individual that you have a partnership with, but what you need to do now is head over to youtube.com. As you do that, you want to search for gym, tank, tops, men. And when you do that, you'll see all these individuals that are wearing tank tops. They're talking about going to the gym. They're talking about different exercises that you need to do. And obviously, you want to select individual. For example, this individual in 1 year has got 60,000 views. As we click on this particular channel on this video, we're going to head over to that particular channel. And obviously, one of the things that we're going to look at right now, which I feel is crucial to see how many subscribers they tend to have. And obviously, if you look at that, you'll be able to see that this individual has 61,300 subscribers with 60,000 views. Literally every single person on this person's channel is watching this video, and this person is wearing a tank top as well. So we're going to click over here and go to their channel. As we go to their channel, we will head over to the About Us section, and once we do that, we'll see this person is located in India. We're going to find and contact this individual after subscribing to them, and as we subscribe and find their detail, we're going to send them an email and say, listen, we have a Shopify store. We have products that you might be interested in. and we can partner up, and obviously you can sell the product and we can go 50-50 on the profit, because you'll be able to understand the different dynamics of it. And that is how simple and straightforward this particular strategy is, guys. And that is how a lot of people are making money in today's time and period. They're harnessing and connecting different people together, because as a team you can go farther and far. As individuals you can only go so far. So guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, assist you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.